what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I have a very exciting video today about a perfume that I ordered. So I actually picked this one up from Ulta. It retails for $72, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, it's currently out of stock. Hopefully they will restock this soon, but this is a limited edition fragrance, so I really wanted to pick it up because I was very excited. I love the first one that she came out with, so I definitely wanted to see what this one was all about. And that is the Eilish No.3 fragrance. Number 1 from Miss Billie, the bigger size. I think this is the 3.3. Let me see. 3.4. So this is the 3.4. I love this one. This is my favorite one that she has out. It's just a vanilla, yummy, smoky, and the packaging I think is just so beautiful. It looks gorgeous sitting on a vanity or anything like that. So this one I purchased and love. The second one I smelled in store in Ulta, and I just am not a fan of that one. It just doesn't, I don't know, it's just not my vibe. So I don't love that one, but I do love the first. So I went into Ulta to see if they had this one because I wanted to smell it before I went ahead and bought it. But it is apparently an online only exclusive, so you have to purchase this one online. You don't really get to smell it before you buy it, so that's the only downfall with this one. So it's kind of a mystery. We're gonna smell it today and see what we think. I'm very nervous because, like I said, I love the first one. The second one, don't love. This one, we shall see. So it is in the amber woody family, apparently, according to Ulta's website, and it says the top notes are grapefruit, pink peppercorn, and jasmine, and then the middle notes are saffron, fresh fir needle, cedar, and then the base is supposed to be amber, oak moss, and skin musk. So I have heard a lot of great reviews about this on TikTok, which kind of convinced me, like, okay, I think I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna bite the bullet and just buy it, because everyone said, like, oh, it smells like Christmas. It just smells very Christmassy and holiday-esque, and that's my favorite holiday. So I had to go ahead and give it a try. So you guys, we're gonna dive on in. I did take the plastic off, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's go ahead and see. It only is available in the 3.4, so you have to get the big bottle of it. I don't know why they didn't do little minis for some reason, but ooh, this packaging, this is divine. Look at that red. It's so gorgeous, especially like sitting beside the gold. Look how pretty that is. So beautiful. So I really love that packaging, and it has kind of like that magnetic like closure to it. She's killing it with the packaging. When I first saw them teasing this, I thought it was going to be a cherry scent, like maybe a lost cherry or something like that, but it's not. It's very different. I kind of wish that she did a cherry scent because I love cherry fragrances. It's like one of my favorites. I really want to try the Cherry Ambition from the 7 Virtues that just came out. It looks so good. So I was hoping this would be cherry, but it's something different, which is nice. So again, such cute packaging. I'm so excited. Ooh, from the first sniff, I'm like definitely like, this is different. Okay, I'm gonna spray it on my arm and we'll let it sit for a second. Okay, right away I smell the like pine fir needle. It's very different than what I was expecting. I don't know, I was expecting it to be like holiday wreath, like cinnamony maybe a little bit. I don't know, I was expecting something different, but I'm not mad at it. Definitely giving more of a manly, like cologne-esque vibe. Like it's not, this is not very girly to me at all. But like on the dry down, it does have more sweetness to it than when you first spray it. But I think it actually smells nice. Like this definitely smells more of like a men's cologne. So if you're more into like the girly, sweet, yummy fragrances, I don't think this is gonna be your vibe. If I'm gonna be honest, this isn't my typical fragrance family vibe either, but I do like it because it's something different it's different than anything that I have in my collection. I don't have anything that smells like this, but I think it's very, I don't know if it's the average like perfume, like a celebrity fragrance girly would adore this, if that makes sense. Like, it's just definitely more musky, more manly, more cologne-esque. But I do think it's actually really nice. I wish they would have like smaller bottles so that the people who are unsure about getting the big ones could just try that one. But I do get what people were saying about this is a very Christmassy scent, because it does have that like fir needle essence to it, and it is very smoky and woody. So it does kind of give you the Christmassy vibe of like Christmas tree. It smells like a straight up Christmas tree. So I do understand that. But it does smell very like clean in a good way and just like fresh. So I get it. I get the vision. Definitely a unisex fragrance, I would say. Definitely, definitely. In my opinion, I prefer the original, the Eilish No.1 over the third, but I don't think it's bad. I'm happy to have this one in my collection. So I would probably rank them the first, the third, and then the second last. But yeah, that's my official ranking currently on the Eilish fragrances. Let me know what you guys think if you're gonna try this one out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions if you've tried it. I think it's definitely different for the celebrity fragrance lines, and it's something cool, you know. I think it's nice that she caters to both male and female audiences with them, which is really nice. So I'm here for this one. I would probably rate it like a 7 out of 10. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check it out. Maybe on her website. I don't know when Ulta's going to be restocking. But I wanted to do a little review before Christmas is here, in case you guys kind of wanted to know if you were getting this for Christmas. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you like fragrance, beauty content, anything like that. It would mean so much to me. So I will see you guys in my next video.